You've read the title. God, I'm so cool. Hello legends, my name's Arteeezzz, and in this video, me and a fellow creator, Lettice, go follow him. I'm going to show you the pure chaos that occurs when you drag a Dookie 3.0 player into 10.0 lobbies. There's plenty of funny moments for you guys to enjoy and feast on, so please do consider subscribing. I love every one of you guys, so let's get straight into it.
Oh no, let me guess, you spawned at the wrong spawn point again.
Bruh. Oh my god, okay, let's do this. So what's the plan, Max?
Local. Help you survive.
Cool. Wait, I brought too many freaking shells again. Oh.
Bro's a walking atomic bomb.
Do you like my painting on me?
Yes, I do.
Why would he be shooting at nothing?
To knock down the trees.
Because War Thunder players are schizophrenic.
You got. I don't think most of them are alive.
What, have we just been killing them?
Yeah, I think our team just dookied on them.
Max, no, don't run away. Oh, do you want to tell me?
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, there we go.
I gotta be careful, because if an enemy comes up around that corner, we are cooked. Well, judging that we captured the zone and our nearest teammate is a helicopter, I reckon there's an enemy. Okay. Oh my goodness, I hear something. Stop moving, Arlo! I just witnessed your death.
Yeah, I know. How did I die?
How did you die? You're terrible.
How did I die? Okay.
Oh, the wrong way.
the turns have taken.
Nah, I'm getting in an anti and smacking this guy. I hate this guy. He plays a drone. Sexy. Oh my goodness, just witnessed my teammate was dead yet again. Let it out! Go spawn point 1.
No.
Okay, so I'm getting rammed up and up the bum in the first 5 seconds. I can tow you really well in this thing. I'll literally pull you across.
Yeah. Disintoriate them.
Hang on, stop. Dead.
I'll scout.
Wait, can you scout?
I think so, I've got binoculars.
Oh yeah, scout then.
I've been hit.
Okay, no, I'll drop you across. How did you survive?
I don't know. I'm feeling a bit painful.
Yeah, no wonder. Still, you marked it for me. I can actually maybe get a shot.
Somebody tried to kill us again. Defend the airport.
Oh, there.
Center.
Yeah, right there.
Where?
Oh, don't worry, they got him.
Oh no, you're on fire. No way, I'm getting dead. No, I need to get snippy. No! No! Please, Max, drive! Please, I'm begging you!
It's okay, we can bet there, we've got
I'm burning! Oh, that's where they are.
Oh, so that's where they are. Oh, watch out, they're really close to you.
Hey then. No. Hell yeah, got a couple of minutes, okay? That's it, A. Yeah, this is the X.
Oh no, please do not take shots at someone.
Why not? They're dead. Okay, now
How
you're
do you
dead.
go for me? Yeah, you're not making. Wait, what? No way you make it up there. Watch me just effortlessly go at this.
That was a massive failure.
Massive.
Imagine if Ninja got a low taper fan.
It's game mode.
Hold on, we're locked in aliens. Zonto?
I'm scared. Oh, I see.
Dead?
Oh, yes. Was
How
there
we
another
repair? Oh.
Oh, God. Oh god. You're here to save me, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's gonna be artillery fire around here. Okay, so he just died.
Maybe they'll be friendly.
No, that's... Oh my god, wait. Oh my god, there's an actual enemy. Is there an enemy in school? Okay. This wasn't going to be... Oh, I see it.
Oh, that's a recon.
What's a recon?
Positive mindset. No! It's got the worst armor in the game.
So is my armor better than your armor?
Probably. Hang on.
You see them?
Oh my goodness.
No! Ah, seems a bit too quiet over here. Well, this is what happens when you drag me into top tier freaking lobbies. I die lots. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.